This is a Pubcast Shot. I'm John Loomer, and today I'm going to talk about what I think about Meta Verified. Let's go. So what do I think about Meta Verified? I mean, look, it's good that Meta's diversifying and not relying entirely on advertising. It's also good they finally came up with a package for better support. We've been asking about this for years. And yeah, it's also good to offer verification to more users and profiles. Anytime you can prove the authenticity of more people on Facebook, the better. Of course, it's really not clear what this does long term for those of us who already had our accounts verified. It'll also create a little bit of confusion now that, profiles that don't have to have any notoriety at all can get verified. But at least we know they are who they say they are. There's also something that just feels inherently wrong about historically offering bad support and then saying, hey, if you want to reach some real people, pay for it. Hey, trust us. We can actually do this if you just give us some money. Is this something I'm going to do right now? Well, I don't think I can, but no. As a previously verified account, I'm a little bitter about this overall. I'll hold out as long as I can. I guess we'll see how this goes. What do you think?
Last call.
So this shot was taken directly from a video I did on TikTok. If you're not already following me on TikTok, do so at John Loomer. You can also keep following me here. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and review. Until next time, do awesome things. I'm out.